One person said, "I'm more interested in learning how to create a clone." Another asked, "What am I using to create AI clones?" And another simply appreciated how I was transparent about my clone. People are genuinely curious and excited when they see AI clone content, and that curiosity turns into business opportunities for you. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, said something that changed how I think about business forever. He said that AI will soon make it possible for one person to build a billion-dollar company. Now, that might sound crazy to most people, but here is what is really happening right now. We are living through a once-in-a-generation shift in how business works. A single person can now build a 6 or 7-figure business with just an internet connection and the right AI tools. And I'm on a mission to see if this is really possible for myself, because you do not need a team, you do not need investors, and you do not need years of experience to get started to use AI. In this video, I'm going to show you my plan and how you can build a 6-figure solo AI business from scratch using AI clones that look and sounds exactly like you. This clone can make content that promotes your business while you focus on other things. And here's where it gets really exciting. When you start posting this content, people are going to ask you how you did it. That question becomes your business opportunity, because you can then offer to create clones for other business owners who want the same thing. I know this business model can work because last month my agency made over $400,000 in revenue creating short form video content for small businesses. I am going to show you exactly how this works step by step, including the simple math that shows you only need 10 clients to make $10,000 a month. Let me break this down for you, starting with chapter 1. What are AI digital clones? An AI digital clone is a virtual version of you that can appear in videos and speak with your voice. The clone looks like you, sounds like you, and can say whatever you need it to say. You create content by typing out a script, and the AI turns that script into a video of your clone talking to the camera. This might sound like science fiction, but it is happening right now. Business owners, coaches, real estate agents, and content creators are using AI clones to make videos every single day. They are posting on social media, sending personalized messages to leads, and creating training content without ever stepping in front of a camera themselves. This changes everything about content creation. Before AI clones, making videos meant setting up cameras, getting good lighting, doing your hair and makeup, recording multiple takes, and then editing everything together. That process could take hours for just one short video. Now you can create that same video in about 5 minutes by typing a script and clicking a button. The people who figure this out first are going to have a massive advantage over everyone else. And once you learn how to do this for yourself, you have a skill that other business owners will pay good money for. This brings us to the secret to turning this skill into a real business. Chapter 2, the Flywheel Effect. Here is how the Flywheel Effect works and why it is so powerful for building your business. You start by creating AI clone content for yourself and posting it on social media. People see your videos and they start asking you how you made them and what tools you use. Those questions become leads for your business because now you can offer to do the same thing for them. Every piece of content you post does 2 jobs at once. First, it builds your personal brand and gets your message out to more people. Second, it shows off your AI clone skills and attracts potential clients who want the same thing. The more content you post, the more people ask about it, and the more clients you can sign up. That is why I call it a flywheel, because each part feeds into the next and the whole thing keeps spinning faster. Let me show you what this looks like in real life. You post a video of your AI clone talking about your business. Someone in the comments asks if that is really you or if it is AI. You reply and tell them it is an AI clone, and I help business owners do the same thing. This happens to me all the time. Take a look at these comments on my accounting videos. One person said, "I'm more interested in learning how to create a clone." Another asked, "What am I using to create AI clones?" And another simply appreciated how I was transparent about my clone. People are genuinely curious and excited when they see AI clone content, and that curiosity turns into business opportunities for you. You get on a call with them and explain how you can create a clone for their business too. They sign up as a client, and now you are making money from a skill you learned for yourself. The beautiful part is that you do not need a huge audience to make this work. You just need to be visible enough that the right people see your content and start asking questions. Even a few hundred followers can turn into paying clients if they are the right people. Now let me show you how to pick the right niche so you can start creating content that actually connects with your audience. But before we move on, if we haven't met yet, I'm Sean's clone. Sean is the owner of a $4 million per year social media marketing agency, winning awards like the Inc. 5000 Fastest Growing Companies, Go High Level SaaS, and many others. And I'm here to share his knowledge with you, because the truth is, There are enough opportunities out there for us all to win, and sharing my knowledge does nothing to impact our wins, and it helps people like you. All I ask is that you like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. All right, let's move on. Chapter 3, picking a niche you actually know. Before you create your AI clone, you need to pick a niche that you have some experience with. Now, here's the good news. You do not have to write all your scripts from scratch. AI tools like ChatGPT can write your scripts for you in seconds. But here's why your niche knowledge still matters. You need to be able to read that script and know if it is correct or if it sounds like nonsense. The best niche for you is something you already have experience with or knowledge about. Think about your current job, your past jobs, your hobbies, or problems you have solved in your own life. When AI writes a script about your topic, you can quickly scan it and say, yes, that is right, or no, that is completely wrong. Without that background knowledge, you would have no idea if the AI made something up. For example, if you worked in real estate for 5 years, you can ask AI to write a script about common mistakes first-time home buyers make. The AI will give you a solid draft in about 10 seconds. Then you read through it and check if those mistakes actually match what you saw in your experience. You might add a quick story about a client who almost lost their dream home because they did not get pre-approved for a mortgage. That personal touch is what makes your content feel real and trustworthy. The magic formula is AI plus your knowledge plus your personal stories. AI handles the heavy lifting of writing the first draft. Your knowledge makes sure the information is accurate, and your personal anecdotes make the content unique to you. This combination lets you create content 10 times faster than writing everything yourself while still sounding authentic and real. Your niche also determines who your future clients will be when you start your agency. If you create content about marketing, your clients will be business owners who need marketing help. If you create content about fitness, your clients will be trainers and gym owners. So pick a niche that you would actually enjoy working with for the long term. Once you know your niche, you are ready to build your actual AI clone, which is much easier than you might think. Chapter 4, how to create your own AI clone. Creating your AI clone comes down to 3 simple parts that work together. You need a face or avatar, you need a voice, and you need a script. When you combine these 3 things, you get a video of your digital clone saying exactly what you want. Let me walk you through each part so you can see how easy this actually is. The first part is your face or avatar. This is the visual part of your clone that people will see on screen. To create this, you record a short video of yourself talking naturally. Most AI clone tools need somewhere between 2 and 10 minutes of footage. You want good lighting on your face and a clean background. The AI studies this video to learn how your face moves, your expressions, and your mannerisms. Once the AI has learned your face, it can generate new videos of you saying anything you type. The second part is your voice. This is what makes your clone sound like you instead of a generic robot voice. You record audio samples of yourself speaking clearly and naturally. The AI analyzes your voice patterns, your tone, your pace, and the way you pronounce words. After training, the AI can turn any written text into speech that sounds just like you. This is what makes AI clones so powerful, because the voice is what really makes people feel like they are hearing from a real person. The third part is your script. This is simply the words you want your clone to say in the video. You write out exactly what you want to communicate, just like you are writing a message to a friend. The script can be as short as 30 seconds or as long as several minutes. You type it into your AI tool, and the software combines your face, your voice, and your words into a finished video. The whole process from start to finish can take less than an hour once you know what you are doing. You do not need any technical skills or coding knowledge. These tools are built so that anyone can use them by following simple step-by-step instructions. If you want to see the exact tools and workflow I use to create AI clone content, I put together a free AI business blueprint course that walks you through everything. It shows you how to turn this into something you can sell to other businesses and the software I use to run my agency. You can grab it using the link in the description below. Now that you know how to build your clone, let me show you how to turn this skill into a real business by helping local business owners. Chapter 5, turning this into an AI content agency. Now that you know how to create AI clones, you have a skill that local business owners will pay real money for. And local businesses are the perfect clients for this service because the owner is usually the face of the company. Think about your local real estate agent, chiropractor, dentist, lawyer, or insurance agent. People in the community know their face and trust them personally. That personal connection is what makes their business work. The problem is that most of these business owners are posting boring, generic Canva graphics on their social media. You have seen these posts before. They have stock photos, basic text, and they all look exactly the same as every other business in town. These posts do not build any real connection with potential customers because there is no human element to them. This is where AI clones change everything for local businesses. Instead of posting another forgettable graphic, the business owner can post a video of themselves talking directly to their community. They can share tips, answer common questions, and build trust with people who might need their services someday. The business owner does not have to spend hours recording videos because the AI clone does all the work for them. Think about how powerful this is for a real estate agent. Instead of posting a Canva graphic about home prices, they can post a video of themselves explaining the local market. People see their face, hear their voice, and start to feel like they know them. When those people are ready to buy or sell a home, they already trust the agent before they ever meet in person. The same thing works for chiropractors, dentists, lawyers, coaches, and any other local business where the owner is the main attraction. These business owners know they should be showing their face on social media, but they do not have time to record videos every day. They are too busy actually running their business and serving their clients. You solve that problem for them by creating an AI clone that can make content while they focus on what they do best. The service you offer can be packaged in different ways depending on what your clients need. You could offer a monthly retainer where you create a certain number of videos for them each month. Or you could offer a setup package where you create their clone and train them how to use it. But here is something really important to understand. Getting a client to sign up for AI clones is just the first step. To keep them paying month after month, you need to actually get them results. Let me show you exactly how to do that. Chapter 6, Getting Real Results for Your Clients. Creating AI clone content for your clients gets you in the door, but you need to turn that content into actual business results if you want to keep those clients long term. This means getting clicks, getting messages, and getting appointments booked. The good news is that you can automate most of this process using a platform called High Level. High Level is an all-in-one platform that handles posting content, writing captions, managing client messages, keeping track of contacts, and scheduling appointments all in one place. Instead of jumping between 10 different tools, everything lives in one dashboard. Let me show you exactly how to set up a social media automation that sends direct messages to people who comment on your posts and gets them to book appointments. This is a game changer for your clients because it works around the clock without any manual effort. First, you go to settings and then integrations inside High Level. You connect your Facebook page and Instagram business account. Make sure your Instagram account is linked to your Facebook page because this is required for the automation to work. Second, you go to automations and then workflows. You click create workflow and start from scratch. This is where you build the automation that responds to comments automatically. Third, you click add trigger and select Instagram, comment on post, or Facebook. Comment on post depending on which platform you want to automate. You can filter by specific keywords so the automation only fires when someone comments a certain word. For example, you might tell people to comment the word info to get more details. Fourth, you add an action to reply to the comment publicly. This acknowledges the person and lets others see that you are responsive. You can even have the automation like the comment automatically. Fifth, you add another action to send a direct message to the person who commented. This is where you deliver the value they asked for and invite them to take the next step. Your message might include a link, a special offer, or an invitation to book a call. Sixth, you add buttons or quick replies inside the direct message that guide the person toward booking an appointment. High Level lets you create interactive messages with buttons that link directly to your calendar or booking page. Once this automation is set up, every time someone comments on your client's post with the trigger word, they automatically get a public reply and a private message that moves them toward booking. This happens instantly, even at 2 a.m. when your client is asleep. If you want to see more ways to create AI video content for your agency, make sure to watch my video on how to make money with Sora 2. That video gives you a full explanation of the tools and techniques that are working right now. Now let me break down the simple math that shows you how profitable this agency model can be. Chapter 7, the simple math behind your agency. The math behind this business model is simple and very achievable. If you charge $1,000 per month for your AI content and automation service, you only need 10 clients to make $10,000 per month. That is $120,000 per year from just 10 clients who pay you every single month. The profit margins are strong because your main costs are software subscriptions and your time. You are not buying inventory, renting office space, or paying for expensive equipment. Most of what you charge goes straight into your pocket. I know this model works because I am living it right now. Last month, my agency brought in over $400,000 in revenue creating short-form video content for small businesses. The path from $0 to $10,000 per month is very achievable when you follow these steps. Start with your first client, deliver amazing results for them, and let your reputation build from there. Happy clients tell other business owners about you, and before you know it, you have a waiting list of people who want to work with you. I hope this video showed you what is possible. If you got value from this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Also, check out my video on how to make money with Sora 2 for even more ways to build your AI business. And I'll see you in the next one.